Hi there. Those guys over at Britlish are really silver-tongued when it comes to speaking with a British English accent, unlike us Americans. I guess that's why they created the Britlish Library with its hundreds of free, interactive British English lessons. Their new English lesson will teach you 12 common British English idiomatic expressions to do with the tongue. The 12 idioms are: set tongues wagging, silver-tongued, loose tongue, tongue-in-cheek, sharp tongue, get tongue around, wicked tongue, on the tip of your tongue, civil tongue, tongue lashing, cat got your tongue, and bite or hold your tongue. If you find that you can't always get your tongue around British English pronunciation, and you don't know what these common English idioms mean, you need to visit the Britlish Library today at Britlish.com. All the lessons in the Britlish Library are free for everyone to use, and only those with a wicked tongue would complain about that. If the best place on the internet is on the tip of your tongue, then let me tell you that it's the Britlish Library. The hundreds of free, multimedia-rich, interactive English lessons in the Britlish Library have set many a student and teacher's tongues wagging, I can tell you. I can tell you tongue-in-cheek that you won't find any American accents in the Britlish Library, just good old British English, the sort of English accent we all want to aspire to if we're honest. You can find a direct link to the Tongues Idioms lesson below.